Letter number 50. To the officers of his army. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. From the servant of Allah, Ali, Amir al-Momineen, to the officer in charge of garrisons. Now, it is obligatory on an officer that the distinction he achieves, or the wealth with which he has been exclusively endowed, should not make him change his behavior towards those under him, and that the riches Allah has bestowed on him should increase him in nearness to his people and kindness over his brethren. Beware that it is obligatory for you on me that I should not keep anything secret from you except during war, nor should I decide any matter without consulting you except the commands of religion, nor should I ignore the fulfillment of any of your rights nor desist till I discharge it fully. And that for me all of you should be equal in rights. When I have done all this, it becomes obligatory on you to thank Allah for this bounty and to obey me, and you should not hold back when called, nor shirk good acts, and you should face hardships for the sake of right. If you do not remain steadfast in this, there will be no one more humiliated in my view than the one among you who has deviated, and then I will increase the punishment for him, wherein no one will get any concession from me. Take this pledge from your subordinate officers and accord to them such behavior from your side by which Allah may improve your matters, and that is an end to the matter.